Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from Shakespeare.com and welcome in lecture number 6. Today we are going to add the bootstrap 4 in our project, so we can use the bootstrap 4 classes in our project. So bootstrap 4 is not required for this course, but I'm using the bootstrap 4 because I don't have a time to write my own CSS styling like that. Okay, so this is the index method and this is the get bootstrap. So this is the official website of the bootstrap. So it's a home page and you can download so you have two ways. Either you can download the files or you can add the CDN. We use the both two techniques. Okay, so now you know very well that this load and view. I'm going to load the view. Now the view name is, for suppose, home. Okay, so now I need to create the home view in the view folder. So home I have created, and now I'm saying that this is the HTML and this is the head fields and this is the title, and I'm saying welcome in advanced coding writer series. Okay, so this is the body. Definitely copy this bad boy, which is a CSS file, and copy these two bad boys. So these are the CDNs. You can also embed the Jquery here, or you can add your Jquery in the. So okay, so these are the Jquery code and this is the CSS. So we have added. So how can you check either it's working or not? Just I'm using the button, and now I'm using the class. I'm saying button find view, and I'm saying here is my button. Go to the page, refresh the page. That means you have successfully embedded your bootstrap 4. Right click, inspect element, go to the console. Nothing is here. If you are giving the wrong directory, so it will produce you the error. For suppose if you are not adding the Jquery, it will give you the error. So as you can see, it's saying cannot read property fn. So Jquery is required. So first of all, so this is a Jquery code, Jquery, then your proper file, then your bootstrap.min.js file. So this is the first method. The second method is you have to download the setup. So download the setup, where okay, I'm going to download in my this directory. Now what you just need to create the assets folder at the root of your project. I'm going to create the directory assets. Okay, now copy your entire bootstrap files. So cut and go to your XAMPP, htdocs and ACR. Paste your files here. So now extract these files. Definitely you have a CSS file and you have a JS file. Okay, so now what you need, you just need to add the CSS file, which is the style bootstrap.min.css file. So before doing this, you have to load the URL helper. So open your autoload directory or file. So this is a URL because we are going to use the base URL and the site URL functions using this helper. Okay, close this bad boy, and now where is the, so here is the assets CSS. As you know, you have a bootstrap.css file. Okay, so now bootstrap.css file, where I'm saying in the assets folder. Now I'm saying that this is a PHP script and I'm saying base URL. Make sure you have to define the base URL in the config file. So where is the base URL? this is the base URL. How? Copy this root of your file. So now this is your base URL. Okay, so now I'm saying base URL, so it will hit this directory. Now I'm saying go to the assets folder. In the assets folder I have a CSS, then I have a bootstrap.css file. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page. Okay, bootstrap.css file is not available. Verify that bootstrap.css. I'm saying assets. In the assets I have a CSS folder, bootstrap. Okay, now go to the assets, CSS. You have a bootstrap.css file and also bootstrap.min.css file. So now I am saying bootstrap.min.css file. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see it's fine because bootstrap.css file is not available. So click on this, it's saying bootstrap.min.css file. So these are the files available. Now what you need, just need to add the Jquery. So you have added the Jquery. First of all, you can download the Jquery from the official website, or you can just use the CDN. I'm going to use the CDN here. Now what I need to script. Now I'm saying src, and before doing this I'm saying this is a JavaScript file, so your browser can identify that it's a JavaScript file. Now I'm saying go base URL, go to the assets and go to the JS, and now I'm saying bootstrap.min.js file. Go to the page, refresh the page. Okay, you can, as you can see, it's not good giving us the error. If you are giving the wrong file, go to the page, refresh the page, it's giving us the error. Okay, so now what you need, you just need to add the proper .min.js file. So go to the JS file and find the proper .min.js file. So assets, JS. So proper .min.js file is not available here. Okay, so now what you need, just need to copy this proper.min.js file from the CDN. Okay, now add your proper.min.js file here. Go to the page, refresh the page, it's fine. You have added the CSS file and you have added the JS file. We are going step by step so you can easily understand, because we will discuss about the custom helpers, and we are going to create the custom function which redirects you with an error. Then we will discuss about the dynamic pages. How can you create your dynamic pages like WordPress, like any CMS systems. We are going to use the routes or the routes while working on the dynamic pages, and we are going to create the tables in our database. You know very well that we have created a database named ACI, but we have not created any tables yet. So for now, thank you for watching.